Well, she treated the trauma wounds of victims in the Sutherland Springs church tragedy, and today's tragedy reminded one San Antonio trauma surgeon once again of the consequences of gun violence on a school campus. Eyewitness News reporter Andrea Martinez joins us now from University Hospital with more. Andrea?
Yeah, Jeff, many of the trauma surgeons here at this hospital were taken back today to just a few months ago when they treated those victims of the Sutherland Springs tragedy. Dr. Ashley McGinnity was one of them.
Dr. Ashley McGinnity is in the business of saving and changing lives. That's what she signs up for every day in the trauma center at University Hospital. But it was a different story on November 5th of last year when a gunman opened fire at a Sutherland Springs church.
When you come to work, you think that you kind of have an expectation for what you're going to see, and there's no way to have an expectation for seeing that.
Today's shooting at Santa Fe High School is no different.
The problem with some of the more high velocity weapons is they can lead to bad tissue destruction and injuries that just require lots of care, both wound care, multiple surgeries. It's a big problem. It's a community problem. It's a medical problem. It's a policy problem. It's a problem for all of us.
It's a financial problem, too. One source estimates the cost of gun violence in the U.S. to be as high as $229 billion a year.
The amount of gun violence that's going on is just increasing the amount of patients that we're seeing, and whenever you have an event like that, the toll that it takes on the community, both in the logistics and the resources and the emotions and the social aspect, but I think you can't ignore the financial burden that it takes both on the hospital and on the community and us nationally. I think it's pretty significant.
Now, some of the Sutherland Springs victims, Dr. McGinnity says some of those victims are still recovering with surgeries, procedures, and therapies, and she says the same is expected for some of the victims in today's shooting. Reporting live from the medical center, I'm Andrea Martinez. Back to you.
Thank you.